In this today's world that we live in, people are wanting more and more. They're just not satisfied. They have a home, they want a bigger home. They have a car, they want a bigger car or two cars. They have a bank balance, they want to invest it, reinvest it, double it, right? So they are working on a certain position, they want a promotion. So people think that once I get this house, the bigger car, this promotion, I will be happy. No, it doesn't work like that. Just look at your own life. When you wanted this promotion, what happened when you got promoted? Okay, you were momentarily happy. Then what happened? Again, back to the same square. Now you want the next promotion. Now you want the next house. So this goes on. This is not going to make you happy. Nobody becomes happy this way, right? If this was the criteria, the Western people would be more happy. But what does the data suggest? The data suggests the more number of suicides that are happening are in the Western world, even though they are the richest people, they have everything there. So why are people committing suicide? Money is not the thing. See, there is a difference between need and want. If there is something you need, you should get it. But if there is something you want, then better think about it. Is it something you need? You really want it? So the wants and needs are different. Right now they are saying that because of the things, because of this virus and whatever happened in this last couple of months, the economy has taken a beating. It has gone very, very low. The world economy has suffered. Nobody's buying. Nobody's buying. When you go out, I only see queues. People are buying left and right. Everywhere I go, there is a queue. You cannot go and just buy it. There's a queue in the grocery store. There is a queue for the milk. There's a queue for the chicken. Everywhere there is a queue. And they say people are not buying. People are buying. So why is the economy suffering? Yeah, because people are buying only the things that they need. What does this indicate? This indicates that the current economy or the current design of economy, this capitalistic society, this doesn't work if you only buy things you need. The economy will be revived when people start buying things that they don't need, especially with the money that they don't have. That is when the economy is revived, right? EMI is one of those things, that where you buy things with the money which you don't have. This is a vicious circle. Now, current situation, I have spoken to a couple of my own friends who have things on EMI. Now, what's happening? From last 2 months, either they are getting meager salary or no salary, but the EMI is still accumulating. The interest is accumulating. And guess what? The worst thing, these systems are designed not for the people, but for the institutions, for the banks. The banks are decided such a way that if you have taken something on EMI, this is the real story. I have one distant relative whose wife is diagnosed with the disease where both her kidneys are useless. So she has to undergo a dialysis for twice or thrice a week. So when I heard this, I told him, okay, give me your bank account, I will give you some money. He said, no, don't send me money on the bank account, because he's a rickshaw driver. So he has taken his rickshaw on an EMI. The moment something comes into his account, it's automatically directed towards the installment of the rickshaw. So right now he's left with only 200 rupees in account. So this is how they have designed the system. They don't care for you, whether you are dying, whether this is coronavirus lockdown, whether your wife is suffering from critical disease. Don't care. We just need our money. So that's how they designed this. So this is not for the people. This is not the system that you want to live in. Don't buy things if you don't need. If a new version of mobile comes out, that does not mean you have to buy it. If whatever you have is good, that is good. That will make our life beautiful and the lives of people around us also beautiful.
अगर हमारे वीडियोस आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक और शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं ताकि अगले वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके।